Big oops. The other day, leaving the campground, I hit the power pedestal and made a big scratch and a dent in the fiberglass. So first thing we had to do was buff it out so we could see what the real damage was after all the minor scrapes and scratches were gone. Then I clean it off and kind of get an idea where I'm at. Tape off the whole area so I don't damage anything or get overspray on anything that's already in good shape. Sand it all down to find the real imperfections. Then I mix up some Bondo fiberglass filler and fill in all those big holes. Then sand it down again. Give it a couple of coats of primer. Then I put about 4 coats of finish color on it that I had paint matched at Napa, and then 2 coats of clear. And there's the finished product. Not bad.